Hello, my name is Karen Talentino. I am a professor of biology here at St. Michael's College. I also direct the health science program. And today I want to say just a few words about the health science program, the strengths of our curriculum and our faculty, opportunities for students, and also to anticipate any questions you might have had if you'd been able to come to campus to meet with our faculty and our students. Our health science program is built upon our very strong science programs, programs in biology and chemistry that have been preparing students for healthcare jobs and careers for decades and done it very successfully. We decided a few years ago to develop a major that would focus specifically on health science and would be designed to prepare students for direct patient care careers. This program is really for students who are interested in working directly with patients and to use a foundational knowledge of biomedical science to help deal with human health and disease, but really someone who wants to work directly with patients. So if you have an interest in nursing, physician assistant, physical therapy, occupational therapy, or even medicine, dentistry, that kind of thing, this is a major that really is well designed for your interests. We have developed a strong curriculum, added new electives in a number of our departments. We're working with our community partners to develop a series of internships that would be available to these students in the health science major. So we are well prepared to provide you with the education you need as an undergraduate. That will prepare you not only for direct entry jobs once you graduate in the healthcare industry, but also prepare you very well for application to postgraduate healthcare programs. Again, we've been doing that very successfully for years, and with this program, I think we're doing an even better job. So I want to tell you a little bit about the program. First, as I said, the curriculum is really based on basic biomedical science. You will take courses in biology and chemistry, microbiology. You'll learn about disease transmission, learn about factors that influence human health and disease. And then as a healthcare professional, you can apply that basic scientific knowledge to working with patients. We feel that our liberal arts curriculum, which is required above and beyond the major, prepares students well to interact with individuals, to understand family situations, to understand people and their role in society. So our program of study, both the major and our liberal arts core, we feel really does a great job of preparing you for a career in the healthcare industry. Let me show you just a little bit about what the program of study would look like. This is just to remind you of, let me share this with you. This is just to remind you of contact information for me, my email address and my phone number. Feel free to give me a call or email me after this program if you still have questions. Next, I wanted to show you what a sample 4-year plan of study would look like. Again, this is for the Bachelor of Science in Health Science. In your first year, you would be taking courses very similar to what a traditional biology major might take. And in fact, we have a number of biology majors who after that first year decide they want to go into health science and join our major in their sophomore year. So a lot of flexibility and ability to go back and forth between these majors. In your first year, you'll take a 2-semester biology sequence. The first semester is an introduction to health science, a real interdisciplinary, integrative look at health science. Second semester is an introduction to cell biology and genetics, both fundamentally important in terms of understanding human biology and disease. You'll also take courses in general chemistry and organic chemistry. And then in addition, you'd have an opportunity to take 4 of our core liberal arts courses, including a writing intensive first-year seminar. In your sophomore year, many of our students take anatomy and physiology, a 2-semester sequence, which is required for all of our health science majors. Statistics is always also required, taught both semesters. Students tend to take it earlier rather than later. Then students might also begin to take one of their 3 biology electives. 3 is a minimum. Most students take more than 3. These can be chosen from a variety of upper division courses in biology, including things such as microbiology, epidemiology, immunology, nutrition, infectious diseases. All of these courses are designed to really contribute to your understanding of human health and disease. In addition, we require a course in medical ethics, extremely important for anyone who would be working in the healthcare industry. In your senior year, or even beginning in your junior year, we encourage students to take an internship. You can take it here during the academic year, or do a full-time internship at home over the summer. And we have resources both within the program as well as within the college to help you find an appropriate internship. Many of the postgraduate healthcare programs require a certain number of hours of direct healthcare work, whether on a volunteer basis or as a job. And we would make sure that you were able to accumulate those hours. A senior seminar is also an option where you would meet with other health science majors to talk about internship opportunities, your internship experiences, and about all of the courses that you've taken over your 4 years. These are thematic, offered by faculty here in the program, and would focus on a particular topic in which you would do presentations and write a research paper. So that is what a 4-year program would look like. In addition to the courses required for your major, if you choose a minor, you could take 5 courses in a different area. And then you would also need to fill out your liberal arts core. And again, that liberal arts preparation is really important and critical for being a successful healthcare professional. Back to me. A few other resources that I want to talk about in the program. First of all, our faculty is drawn from a number of departments on campus, including biology, chemistry, mathematics, psychology. We have a faculty member in the psychology department who teaches the psychology of health and illness, which is a requirement for the major. And she does research in that area. And research opportunities are really important as an undergraduate. It's something we feel very strongly about here at St. Michael's College. So in addition to an internship, we encourage students to think about doing a research project with a faculty member outside of a class, either in the summer or during the academic year. In terms of other resources, you'll have an academic advisor such as myself. I advise many of the health science majors. You'd meet with me at least once a semester. Sometimes I meet with students 2 and 3 times a semester to talk about how their courses are going, what courses they want to take in future semesters. We plan for study abroad opportunities. We talk about summer jobs and internships. I'm really serve as an advisor. I love serving as an advisor and talking with students about the breadth of questions that they have about their undergraduate education. In addition, in our biology department, we have 2 full-time pre-health advisors. Any student interested in a healthcare career, and in particular those interested in postgraduate healthcare programs, would meet regularly with one of these 2 faculty members and talk about their preparation for those programs, for application process, making sure they're getting the right courses, getting the right practical experience that they need, so that by the time it comes to applying for these programs or applying for jobs, our students are really ready to go and have great level of success, both in applying for programs as well as getting jobs after graduation. Beyond that, we have a Bergeron Health Center, which provides counseling and health services for all students. We have an academic enrichment center, which provides workshops on study habits. They run the tutoring program, and many of the courses that I talked about today have built-in tutors that come to class and are available outside of class for assistance for any students who need help with the course. So we have lots of opportunities to help students be successful and do as well as they can in their course of study. I'm sitting in our anatomy and physiology lab, which has been newly renovated, in addition to some of the traditional things you'd expect to see, such as dissecting tables and microscopes and models and that kind of thing. We've also invested in some really exciting high technology. These are touchscreen monitors, very high resolution 5G monitors. And we've purchased a number of academic resources, digital resources that really assist students and faculty with each of these courses that I've talked about today. So you could come to St. Michael's College, take advantage of all of these resources and wonderful people who are ready to help you be as successful as you possibly can to realize your dream of becoming a healthcare professional. Please contact me if you have any questions, either specific ones about our program or general ones about your decision to become a healthcare professional. I look forward to hearing from you.